Hello again. So, John O'Schlager, this is tape number 4 that we're doing on actually Sunday afternoon. I would like you to follow along. Please stop, shut the video off, put your uniform on, put your belt on, act like it's a real class, because it is a real class. Today's lesson is going to be in advanced weapons. We're going to start with the haito, which is the ridge hand. So you're going to take your thumb, place it deep, and this is the part of your hand you're hitting with right here. And it goes out like that. Your other hand is on your hip, flipped, and strike, and strike. Next weapon is the Ippon Ken. You're going to hold your hand like it's a gun, take this finger, bend it, take that nail, place it on this knuckle, and this weapon is snapped out. Snapped out. It goes to a very thin-skinned part of the body. It's an atemiwata. It attacks the nerve center. Next weapon is the Yampon Ken. Yampon, 4-point knuckle. Ken mean knuckle. Thumb tuck, hand on your hip, strike, strike. Excellent target is the neck, the ribs, and the groin here. And then we're going to move to a block that folds into a different weapon that we have called the kumade. So this is our wrist hook block. This is kumade, which is bear claw. And this is kako, which is tiger's paw. So I'm going to do it on this side so you can see it again. So the kumade is here, kako is here. So we would do the wrist hook block, kumade, and kako. Then we have metsubushi. Metsubushi is a light fingertip strike. It comes off the body nice and relaxed. It goes to the head or to the groin. This hand can be chambered here, here, or here and here. It's meant to cause a distraction or a reaction in the opponent where they move up or down. So if you're going to do a short arm wrist lock, you hit them in the face, block, hit them in the face, and go underneath. So the metsubushi goes here, 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 and here. We also have goken, chicken wrist. This is an interesting weapon where if I'm in a fist fight, I hope we never get into a fist fight, and you hurt your knuckles, you can use your wrist to hit the person. So it draws up from the bottom, and this is going to go to the chin, your other hand on the hip, here and here. So we have goken and choken. So that'll come up and down to block a low punch. 1, 2. And then a very, I would say, kind of cool weapon called dragon's paw. In the ancient days, the ninjas would put their hand in wax, cover their hand, then touch the poison and strike the opponent. And strike the opponent. Therefore, the poison would never touch their hands. So with those weapons, we have haito, ridge hand. We also go groin. We have wrist block komade kako. We have goken, Ippon Ken, Yampon Ken. I'm going to drill around the basement a little bit, my dojo. I want you to follow. You can actually just listen, especially the advanced students, and follow along. So the first, I'm going to move in a big circle. So we're going to step out with our right leg, haito, then pivot, step, then pivot. Now I'm going to go to the groin and hit and hit. Now roundhouse. Now roundhouse. Now step reverse, pivot reverse, step reverse. Now I'm going to pivot. Ippon Ken. 1 point. Step, pivot, step, pivot, step, pivot. Now, step Yampon Ken. Here, pivot here. Step here, pivot here. Notice the hand out, this hand on the hip. Step, pivot, step, pivot. Now I'm going to step out, wrist lock, pivot, wrist lock. From here, kumade, kako. Step, kumade, kako. Pivot, kumade, kako. Step, kumade, kako. Pivot, kumade, kako. Step, kumade, kako. Pivot, kumade, kako. Step, kumade, kako. Now, to the block. Blocking a high and a low punch. Step, pivot, step, pivot, step, pivot. Now watch the strikes. Hit, step, hand, hip, hand, shoulder, hit, pivot. This hand, shoulder, this hand, hip, strike. Now radial long blocks. The guys coming to bear hug you, radial long block. Pull in, hit the ribs. Pivot, pull in, hit the ribs. Step, pull in, hit the ribs. Pivot, pull in, hit the ribs. Step, pull in, hit the ribs. Pivot, pull in, hit the ribs. Step, pull in, hit the ribs. Now, goken. Stepping up, itch, knee, san, shi, go, Roku, Shichi, now high and low. Ich, ni, san, shi, go. Roku, Shichi, hachi. Now I'm going to pivot to the Metsu bush. Ni, san, shi, go, follow along, Roku. Shichi, hachi, ku, and ju. Now watch high and low. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, Roku, Shichi. Now stepping dragon. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, Roku, Shichi, hachi. Up straight. Take a breath. Now I'm going to drill. You can watch, then just play the video, or the audio I should say, and drill along in your dojo. Right? Step out left leg haito. Pivot to the haito. Step to the haito. Pivot to the haito. Step to the haito. Pivot to the groin. Step to the groin. Pivot roundhouse. Step roundhouse. Pivot reverse. Step reverse. Pivot ipan ken. Step ipan ken. Pivot. Step. Pivot. Step yampan ken. Pivot yampan. Step yampan. Pivot yampan. Step yampan. Pivot wrist block. Hit. Step wrist block. Hit. Pivot wrist block. Hit. Step scissor block. Hit. Pivot scissor block. Hit. Step scissor block. Hit. Pivot scissor block. Hit. Step scissor block. Hit. Pivot radial long blocks. Hit. Step radial long. Hit. Pivot radial long. Hit. Step forward. Pivot high and low. Step high and low. Pivot high and low. Step high and low. Pivot reverse. Step. Step roundhouse. Pivot roundhouse. Step Metsu bush. Metsu bush. Pivot Metsu bush. Step dragon. Pivot dragon. Step dragon. Pivot dragon. Up straight. I will repeat this over and over again.